Hello, welcome to Math 1324. This is Chapter 10, Section 5, Example 2. And in this example, we want to convert the following from logarithmic form to exponential form. And just a reminder from the last example, we had a to the y equals x is the same thing as y equals log base a of x. Now, what's important to keep in mind here is if you have the logarithm, what it's equal to is the exponent. Okay, so looking at this, if I want to convert this logarithm, the 1 equals log base 5 of 5, to an exponential, that means that I need to look at the exponent. Well, what is the exponent? The exponent's 1. So whatever I have is going to be to the first power. And what's the base? Well, the base is whatever the base is, or in other words, the subscript is for the logarithm. Well, for this particular logarithm, the base is 5. So it's 5 to the first power is equal to, and then notice the only thing we haven't used is this 5 here. So this is just saying 5 to the first power equals 5. Now, one thing to keep in mind about this, for logarithms, if you ever have a base and the argument be the same thing, they cancel and leave you with 1. That's one of the great things about logarithms. Okay. Next, log base 3 of 243 equals 5. Notice that what the logarithm is equal to is the exponent. So that's going to be an exponent, and I need the base of that, and the base of that is always the base of the logarithm, which is 3. So 3 to the 5th is equal to, and notice that the argument is what the exponential is always equal to. So 3 to the 5th equals 243. For the next one, 0 is equal to okay, let me just rewrite that entire thing. 0 is equal to log base 16 of 1. So 0 equals log base 16 of 1 will convert as, well, first of all, the exponent here is 0. So anything to the 0 power. The base is always the base of the logarithm, which is 16. And it's equal to the argument, which is 1. So 16 to the 0 power equals 1. For the next one, negative 1/3 is equal to log base 27 over 64 of 4/3. Well, what this is equal to is negative 1/3. So that's going to be the exponent. The base is whatever the base is right here, which is 27 over 64. But because that's a fraction, let's go ahead and use a parentheses around that, is equal to the argument of 4/3. Good deal. As for the last one, log base 1/2 of 8 equals negative 3. Remember, what it's equal to is the exponent. The base is the base. And since it's a fraction, put it in parentheses, equals the argument. So 1/2 to the negative 3 equals 8. Alrighty. It really is that simple. I'll see you in the next video. Have fun.